Hi, good morning. Myself Naresh Babu, working as a JRF in Molecular Modeling and Drug Discovery Division, Raghavendra Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research, Raipur, Anantapur. Now I am going to discuss a in silico software tool to predict the toxicity. It is funded by the AICTE RPS Research Promotion Scheme. Now I am going to show the use of the software. It is licensed from the StarDrop. The software is DirectNexus. First of all, I am going to create one new molecule. So for this I am using the ChemDraw software. So this new molecule after creating, so we are going to see the prediction of toxicity by using this in silico tool. This software tool helps us to find the how safe of the drug before clinical trials. And this also helps to find out the functional group or moiety which is responsible for the toxicity of the drug molecule. And finally, we can find the synthetic route of that particular new molecule what we designed. Let us take this molecule, and it is saved in CDX format. I think CDX format of ChemDraw. But in the in silico tool, the CDX format is not going to open. So I am going to convert this CDX file into SDF format by using OpenBabel tool. So in this I am giving the input of CDX file what we created by selecting the CDX format, and file we are selecting, and we should give the output file. The format of is a SDF format, and output name also I am giving, and it is converted to SDF file, that is structure data format. So this structure data format file I am opening in the StarDrop software, and it is going to give the structure into the software. So here we can select so we can see the different models are there. So we can select the models what we require. So here I am selecting the log P, carcinogenicity, mutagenicity, hepatotoxicity. Some parameters I am selecting here, and I am going to run this to know the toxicity. So here it is giving the different toxicity of the compound. So while seeing in this, so it is showing the log P value. It is showing the log P value, that is 1.919. So we know that log P, that is above 2.5, it is having mostly lipophilic in nature, and below that it is having the hydrophilic in nature. So this compound having somewhat hydrophilic in nature, and we can see the different toxicity. It is having the skin sensitization plausible, and nephrotoxicity, there is no toxicity. Cardiotoxicity, no toxicity, and mutagenicity and carcinogenicity. So there is no report you can observe for this toxicity. So only we can observe the skin sensitization is only present for this designed molecule, so that we can observe in this model, and we can identify the functional group which is responsible for this skin sensitization. So here it is giving the highlighting that red color. So this imidazole ring, that 2 nitrogens, it is showing the skin sensitization, So here by using these tools here in the software, we can modify by applying of bioisosterism, and we can reduce this toxicity. So here I am applying OH group at this position. So by applying of this OH group, and I am checking the toxicity of this molecule, so automatically it is going to run and it is going to give the toxic profile. So here you can observe that by addition of this OH group, so the skin sensitization is completely reduced. So I am running this molecule after addition of this OH group. So to here we can compare these two molecules, that is the previous one and after modification of with the OH group. So the skin sensitization only completely altered by modification of by addition of the OH group. So skin sensitization is reduced, plausible is converted into no report. So now we can see that how we can going to synthesize this one. So this is a completely new molecule. So the synthetic pathway, how we can find out. So here one option is there, that is IC Synth. It is linked to the software. So by clicking this synthetic assessment, it is going to give different synthetic routes. These are the different synthetic routes shown by the software. Route 1, route 2, route 3, route 4 and 5. So the route 1, it shows the literature and it is having the complete procedure of to synthesize this new molecule. Similarity we can find out, that is nearly 86% we can find by using this literature. So by clicking of route 2, so we can see here also given one literature, but it is showing some less similarity by seeing of route 1. And similarly we can find the different routes also. The clicking of route 3, so it shows the literature. Among these routes we can see the similarity of the compounds is only giving, we can observe in the route 1. Among these, route 1 is having high similarity, so we selected this route 1 for the synthesis of the molecule. So what we observed is, we created a new molecule by using ChemDraw and we seen its safety and toxicity. In this, skin sensitization is observed by the functional group responsible, and it is modified by applying of bioisosterism. Finally, we observed the various routes for the synthesis of the new molecule, and I thank the Riper management for giving this opportunity. I hope you understand this.